Hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on Miss Mini. For the last episode, I got a load of jobs done. I'm hoping that today's going to be very much the same. I left the video when I was painting the engine, so giving it a fresh coat of paint. I've done the blue. The silver needs some bit of attention, but I've also done the back of the engine as well, which never got done previously. The mechanical fuel pump have broken off both terminals, so I've got a few bits and pieces. I've ordered a load of stuff online. It's arrived today, so I'm gonna have a look through what I've got and some light. I have a look through what I've got, and then I can have a look and see which jobs I can do this evening. I'm hoping what I can do is build up the hubs. At least once the hubs are built, the engine can go in. I know I've got the fuel pump and the exhaust gasket. Yeah, quite a lot of things I need to do still, but every time I'm out here, I'm getting better progressed, which is good. So let's set the camera up, have a look at what I've got, and then get cracking. Righto, so in this box, that's from another time, paperwork. So I have a new mechanical fuel pump. This is for all carb engines with a gasket. So yeah, nice little mechanical lifting pump, and that should get fitted on, and one fuel in, one fuel out. Nice tidy thing there to start with. I've got an exhaust manifold gasket, got a thermostat gasket, nuts, bolts and studs. New engine mounts with captive nuts on them as well. Hopefully that'll be a little bit easier than the other ones. Pair of discs, pad fitting kit, and a set of pads. So if I can get one hub rebuilt, or at least stripped off, ready to be cleaned and rebuilt, then that's going to be a big step forward. Because that's going to be new discs, new pads. The caliper can then be connected to the hose, which is flexi hose just dangling. New ball joints top and bottom, wheel bearings if they need it. Bolt it all back up. The drive shaft can then be fitted up where the engine goes into place, and I think that may be the best way to go. So jack this corner up, take away the stand, 4 wheel butts off, whip the wheel off, whip the hub off. I can fit the dampers up here as well. I've got new damper mounts to go up in this bracket here. The dampers can go on. At least then we can start looking at setting ride heights and stuff once the engine's in. Right, the old caliper is absolutely seized solid, and I popped the piston out, and it's not in a good place. So you can see it's pretty corroded. The face of it's pretty scorned. So what I've gone into my spares, and I found a replacement pair of calipers. They're in pretty good order, and I'm pretty sure these ones here came off of Gareth's green Mini when he went up to the 4-pot calipers. So they're in pretty good order. I will clean them up. I'll have these fitted to the car. Maybe even, if I have time, give them a lick of paint. So let's just take the old pads out, and I'll not put anything new on until it gets onto the car. So I've been in here just under an hour and a half this evening. I've not done a single bit of filming, but what I have done is taken a few photographs of what I've done. So ball joints top and bottom on the driver's side, dampers fitted, top mounts fitted, engine mounts are fitted to the engine, and the fuel pump's fitted as well. So in theory, we're pretty much ready to fit the engine into the subframe. So that's going to be the next task. Not today though, because I am pretty tired. So I'm going to come back out here one day this week, plop the engine into the subframe, and bolt the whole down. I've got a speedo cable still to fit, which I have now, and then I can start dressing up the engine, putting the ancillaries on, wiring it in. I'm going to try and do it like this, where as you lower the engine down, you can put the drive shafts into situ. For the time being, I'm going to leave this video here. I'll be back very soon. So I'll show you the front suspension setup, and back in a bit. Okay, so back in the garage for another day, and I think I'm going to leave this video where it is, because the engine is pretty much ready to go in, other than a speedo cable. The engine bay is ready. I've got the fuel line, I've got the brake lines. They can be dressed off once the engine's in. I've got all the wiring in place, and everything else pretty much is going to be top end of the engine that needs dressing, or down the sides. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video and others, please consider liking, leaving that thumbs up button down below, commenting down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber. Lots more to come on this car. And next video, we're going to be getting the engine in. So thanks for watching. See you again soon.